This week's vlog, bodyweight exercises you could execute virtually anywhere without any necessary equipment. So let's get into it. First, let's kick off with bodyweight exercise push-ups. Not much to cover here. You just, rhythmically raise and lower your full body. Just rely on strength of the muscles, triceps, shoulders, and chest, which are the main muscles that get worked out here. Shoulder taps, the next byweight exercise we'll go over, which is done by raising your body up in a default push-up position while just tapping the opposing shoulders. This improves your core strength, also improves stability in your trunk, along with the muscles that go around your whole midsection and obliques. Next exercise we'll go over here is your core body weight's best friend, which is known as the sit-ups. Pretty much here you just rely on your strength on your abs and your core, just from uplifting and lowering your whole body to tone your upper and lower abdominals. Next bodyweight exercise we'll go over, which is not very different from the sit-ups, is known as the bridges. And execute by just lying flat on your back, upraising only your core section with both your feet still flat on the ground at a comfortable distance. This tones your glutes, your hamstrings, your lower abs, and your medius and minimus muscles. Next bodyweight exercise we'll go over is known as the alternating elbow to knee variation sit-ups. These are done by simply raising up as you did in the sit-up while tagging each arm to corresponding knee. These target not only your lower abs, but also your inner core. Final bodyweight exercises, lunges that target your legs as well as your lower core region. You simply do this by stepping outwards and putting all your body weight just solely on one of your legs. This works out lower abs, your legs, your glutes, your hamstrings, lower back muscles, and calves are worked out. Simple bodyweight exercise. There you have it. Those are all the exercises. Require virtually no equipment and location free. Follow up with your desired form of cardio. You got a great workout plan. Catch y'all next week.